Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering up the set-top box and getting the remote ready. Turn on the Xfinity X1 or Flex box and wait for the home screen to appear. This ensures the box can receive pairing signals. Install 2 fresh AAA batteries into the voice remote and verify the battery compartment is secure. Keep your Xfinity account email and ZIP code close so you can quickly sign in if prompted. This speeds authentication and avoids interruptions once pairing begins. Once the hardware is ready, press and hold the A and D buttons together on older remotes or the dedicated pair button on newer voice remotes until the LED blinks. This puts the remote into pairing mode. Then follow the on-screen prompts to select language, confirm Wi-Fi or wired network, and sign into your Xfinity account if asked. After configuration, test voice control by pressing the microphone and saying a simple command like "Watch ESPN," so you verify both pairing and voice recognition work correctly. To finish, accept any firmware updates and let the box reboot so the remote and system stay compatible. This prevents intermittent failures. If voice commands don't register, repair the remote by repeating the pairing step or swap in new AAA batteries, since low power causes most issues. Also, make sure your room isn't noisy and the microphone isn't obstructed. If problems persist, restart the set-top box and try again, because a clean reboot often clears temporary voice processing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.